the triple Ratamacue. It's like double Ratamacue. We're just going to add one more drag. So we have drag, drag, and a drag going into a triplet, and then an accent. One accent on this rudiment. Okay, don't add accents yet. You can add them later once you learn it, but not right now. Just one accent. Okay, so it goes like this. Left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left. Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. And again, to make these funky, keep those taps nice and low and nail the accent. Okay, let's practice this super slow together with me. Watch me, listen, imitate. Here we go. You can do the same things that I told you to do with the single and the double. Hey, mentioning those two, why don't we put them all together? So once you know your rudiments, you can start mixing them up. I'm assuming that you can play a single Ratamacue and a double Ratamacue already. If not, go back and learn those, come back to me. We're going to play 2 singles, 2 doubles, and 2 triples back to back. And we're going to start with the accent. Ratamacues. I love Ratamacues.